Here are 10 animals besides birds that build nests. Number 1. Orangutans. These primates build sleeping nests high in trees using leaves and branches, making a new one almost every night. Number 2. Alligators. Female alligators build nests using vegetation, sticks and mud near water to protect their eggs. Number 3. Wasps. Social wasps, like paper wasps, build intricate nests out of chewed wood fibers mixed with saliva, forming a papery structure. Number 4. Beavers. While not traditional nests, beavers construct lodges out of sticks and mud, often creating underwater entrances for protection. Number 5. Sea turtles. Female sea turtles dig nests in sandy beaches to lay their eggs, covering them with sand for incubation. Number 6. Ants. Some ants, like weaver ants, construct nests in trees by stitching leaves together using silk produced by their larvae. Number 7. Termites. These insects build complex nests called mounds made of mud, saliva and feces with intricate ventilation systems. Number 8. Fish, e.g. stickleback. Male stickleback fish build nests using plant material and glue them together with mucus, often fanning the eggs to keep them oxygenated. Number 9. Mice. Field mice build nests out of grasses, leaves and other soft materials in burrows or hidden locations to raise their young. Number 10. Squirrels. Known as drays, squirrel nests are made from leaves, twigs and moss, usually located in tree branches or hollows for warmth and protection. These animals use different materials and techniques to construct their nests, ensuring protection and comfort for their offspring.